We also have an all-play speaker. Let me just turn them on. Similarly, we also have LifeX bulbs installed into these wall sconces here. And we have a higher washer unit as well. And so I'm just going to show you some more interactions that can occur. I had a little issues with these earlier. Let's just hope that it works. But essentially, when the door opens, it's going to send out an event, just like the other systems. And we've programmed the lights to react and the speakers to react as well. So, open the door.
The wine cooler door is open.
It tells us that the wine cooler door is open. You saw that the lights are flashing. These are all things that the consumer programs themselves. We could have programmed different colors, but we went with orange.
Orange! The wine is getting bad.
And then, hey, you know, the door's been open for about 10 seconds. It tells me, hey, the wine's bad, so I might as well close the door here. And so the whole point of this is to show you that you can be really creative, right? You don't have to be kind of boring and just, you know, flashlights or whatever. You can add a lot of personality. You can have different voices as well.
So Wayne just said a key word there, personality. And it's really important, right? How we interact with technology and how technology interacts with us is very personal, right? And so we're not talking about things here where devices are just some stale computer, your laundry is done. But actually the same way that people in the 90s personalized their phones with ringtones and things like that, the environment that I live in, I want it to react to me in a way that's important to me. I want it to be my environment and personal. So some of the things that Wayne's showing you, this is a real differentiator, right? Is that you can bring personality to devices. They can leverage the resources to others and they can interact with me in a way that's meaningful to me. And Wayne's going to show you some examples of just some fun, different things that we've thought of, but manufacturers are going to come and do some really creative things.
So I'm just going to go ahead and start the washer. It takes about a minute for it to go through its test cycle. And when it finishes, it's going to send out an event, and some of these devices are going to react. So while that's going, just a little bit more about the personalization. So what you're going to see here is when the event occurs, when the washer's done, the lights are going to flash a little bit, and we're going to have a little bit of fun here with the audio. I programmed one of them, and I'll show you what other audios that we could have used. So probably another 30 more seconds here. If you want to add.
So yeah, while we wait for that cycle to finish and send its notifications, we do a lot of thinking and brainstorming and how you can create these kind of creative, personalized experiences to engage the consumer with the technology. Whether it be the kids, encouraging them to brush their teeth in the morning and have the technology talk to them and interact with them in a way that's meaningful and exciting and fun for kids. You can imagine consumers getting excited and assigning different personalities to different devices, different voices.
Washer is done. Don't forget to put your clothes in the dryer.
So that one's really boring, and we have a few a little bit more exciting ones, and I'll share that with you right here. Instead of waiting a minute, I'll just play it. And so perhaps we want to be a little bit more,
Pardon the interruption.
A little bit more formal,
the washer
right?
is done, and your clothes are
Not so
clean.
rude. Or maybe we want to have a little fun with the kids.
Laundry's done. Yippee! Time to go tumble. Whee!
And then hopefully you guys know that welcome, we're from San Diego, and there's a lot of
Dude, your
surfers out
laundry
there.
is done. Now go get your clothes, bro.
So that's just an example of, again, personalities, right? It doesn't have to be boring. Okay, so I think that's all that we had here in the kitchen. We just have one more in the bedroom over here.